Hello friends, today my topic is about dangers of wildlife trade, which I will be describing in detail. Let us first recap about wildlife. Wildlife includes all those plants and animals that live and grow in their natural surroundings. Few pictures of wild animals are African elephant, Bactrian camel, golden lion and panda are examples of endangered animals. Now I will be describing about dangers of wildlife trade. In many parts of the world, wildlife is in danger because of many illegal hunting and poaching activities. There are animals which are being killed because their body parts are used by humans. This is known as wildlife trade. Let us find out which body parts of various animals are being used for trading. First, elephants are hunted for their tusk. The tusk or ovary are used for making jewelry and decoration pieces. Second, North and South American bears are also being killed for their gallbladders, which are then smuggled to other countries and used to make medicines. Third, rhinoceros are being slaughtered for their horns. These are grounded into powder form to make medicines. Fourth, musk deer is becoming extinct because it is being hunted to obtain kasturi, an ingredient of many perfumes. Fifth, a variety of mountain goat is hunted because its hair yield a very expensive variety of wool, that is pashmina. Sixth, tigers, endangered throughout their range, are killed for making use of their bones. The skin of tigers are used to decorate walls by hunters. Tiger claws and teeth are worn as jewelry by many groundless persons who think that these can bring them good luck. Seventh, legs of frog are eaten as they are considered to be a delicacy. About 200 million to 1 billion frog legs are consumed each year. This might lead to the extinction of many species of frog. Such a decrease in the population of frogs will affect many organisms and also increase the insect population. If this type of illegal trade continues, many species may disappear from Earth. Now we will see how to protect wildlife. We hear cases where monkeys are troubling people. They often take away things from their houses. Sometimes we hear of leopards and tigers having become man-eaters. We should realize that they are doing so because man is destroying their living areas by cutting down forest. Protection of wildlife is very important. A very important reason for protecting wildlife is that they form an important part of many food chains. If they are killed, many other animals in the food chain may get affected. Now, coming to the point, who eats whom? I will be describing food chain and food web. Food chain is a process of who eats whom. A food chain shows how each living organism gets its food. For example, leaves eaten by caterpillar, caterpillar eaten by a frog, frog eaten by a snake, and snake eaten by an owl form one food chain. If we destroy one link in a food chain, we might end up by destroying the whole food chain. Food chains are found in all habitats. such as desert, water, or plains. Most animals are part of more than one food chain. They also eat more than one kind of animals in order to meet their food requirements. Such interconnected food chains form a food web. Food webs show how plants and animals are interconnected in many ways to help them survive in nature.